Welcome. My name is Chris Crone. I'm the founder and president of Strongbrook. I'm going to be talking to you today about Strongbrook, a company that has been improving financial lives for many years now. You see, in today's economy, there has never been a greater need to help Americans get back to their entrepreneurial roots and to rediscover the American dream that brought our ancestors to this land, including my father. I'm going to be speaking to you about wealth, freedom, and how to create cash flow for life. Sadly, most Americans never create this. The following facts come from the latest Social Security Administration data. Did you know that at age 65, 2 out of 3 people rely on Social Security for 50% of their income? 1 out of 3 rely on it for 90%, and almost 1 out of every 4 people rely on Social Security for 100% of their income. I know what you're probably thinking. Too bad for those people, but I won't be one of them. My guess is that 20 or 30 years ago, they were thinking the same thing. No matter how much you want to believe otherwise, odds are this could be your future or the future of someone you love. So we have really big problems. Where do our problems start? Let's look at what society, government, and many financial professionals encourage us to do with our money. Governments and companies encourage 401ks, our tax accountants encourage IRAs, and society says to pay off our home. Question: do any of these assets actually pay you on a monthly basis? How are they performing? Are you on track for these assets to be enough to fund your retirement lifestyle or leave a legacy? For most people, the answer is no. Why doesn't society's retirement plan really work, though? Why aren't we able to replace our income with a passive income at retirement? Because we're not taught correctly about money. We're not trained to do what wealthy people do. We're not trained to have our money work for us. We're not taught about leverage and good debt versus bad debt, residual income, budgeting, and all the other sound principles that, when applied, create true wealth. What we need is to raise our financial IQ. We know that there's a tremendous lack of education when it comes to wealth creation, but it even goes beyond that. When was the last time you considered the factors that are eroding your wealth? Consumer-grade investments like 401ks and IRAs literally and mathematically, they can't produce enough to provide a real retirement. Not to mention, they're 100% reliant on market conditions, meaning you have no control over whether or not those types of investments can actually perform. What about risk? Are you leaving yourself open to potentially losing your nest egg because you have not properly protected it? Are you taking advantage of all the tax benefits available to you? Because most that we use, nobody even really knows about. And what about inflation? Does accumulating your way to retirement in market-dependent consumer products provide a way to hedge against the inevitable inflation that's coming? And finally, does the future of your financial life simply lack the time and the access to the right information, putting your retirement on shaky ground? What if there was a proven, systematized, passive business that both created tremendous wealth, cash flow, and unbeatable protection? Let me introduce you to Strongbrook REIC. With a proven, systematized business that is passive and it's done for you. A business that utilizes the #1 investment opportunity in America today. So what is the best investment opportunity currently available in America? It's real estate. But not just any kind of real estate. I'm going to share a particular system and strategy in real estate that is proven to stand above the rest. I'm going to share with you wealth-building principles and a system that utilizes the right kind of real estate strategy and the right kind of real estate in the right markets so that it requires the least time, the least effort, the least risk. And in Strongbrook's opinion, it produces the greatest potential returns. I'm going to share with you what I believe to be that absolute #1 best strategy that I used while I was in college to buy 12 homes, and a year later bought 25 homes that produced my first 6-figure residual income. That led me to actually quitting my job and really becoming financially free. I went on to use that same strategy and system to buy hundreds of homes all across America. It has ensured for me and my family our empire and our legacy of giving back. Articles like this are in great abundance proclaiming how real estate is the most attractive new investment out there today. In a 3-hour CNBC interview with Warren Buffett, he shared what he believed to be the best investment available. He shared a formula when he stated single-family houses bought on a distressed basis now and financed over the long term at these interest rates may be the best investment of them all. So what does Strongbrook actually do to help their clients take advantage of the opportunity that Warren Buffett is talking about? Strongbrook REIC and its family of real estate companies help people create financial liberation through developing a successful portfolio of properties through a systematized, time-tested, and proven formula. We're also using our proven track record. Strongbrook's suite of real estate wealth building services, what they do is they create a successful retirement plan. They give you access to the best markets. They minimize your tax implications. They reduce your risk. They help you build a passive residual income. This is all done for you because Strongbrook REIC consists of Strongbrook Realty, a national real estate brokerage to find these amazing deals, Strongbrook Lending to arrange all the financing, Strongbrook Property Management to manage the day-to-day duties of a landlord, and Strongbrook Financial Services, a company designed to help you create protection and produce tax-preferred or even tax-free growth. You might be asking yourself, but what if I'm new to real estate? I mean, can I really see myself doing something like this? Today, Strongbrook has helped well over 1,000 people successfully build real estate portfolios, many of whom had absolutely no prior real estate experience. And you got to ask yourself, how does someone like us do that? Strongbrook's secret? We don't let you go it alone. We don't let you do the work. We let our team of experts do it. Strongbrook is the ultimate real estate power team with the experience and expertise that sets us apart from everybody else. So why is Strongbrook REIC the ultimate real estate power team? Because we operate with hundreds of years of combined experience, spread over 200 real estate professionals with a proven and transparent track record in this new economy. Additionally, we remove most of the risk in real estate with a very specific system. You see, Strongbrook REIC gives you premier education training through the Strongbrook Wealth Academy. And Strongbrook has a decade of using this proven system that has worked in both the old and new economies. Strongbrook REIC handles everything, from finding the most amazing deals to buying them, fixing them, financing them, leasing them, managing and maintaining them, and selling them. All of this done for you, with you making the financial decisions, of course. But it's more than just doing real estate, though. It's about knowing how to buy and when to leverage with what you have so you can help produce your next investment property again and again using this dynamic interplay for building your entire portfolio. The entire goal is to help you in 5 to 10 years achieve a residual income that you can retire on. And when you're gone, leave a legacy. Let me share this strategy with you. This comes right out of my book, The Straight Path to Real Estate Wealth, which documents this proven strategy. We're going to cover getting a game plan report, profiting in the best markets, how to find and use the best financing alternatives so you can create the most profit. So here's the first step. And it's all about getting a game plan report using Strongbrook's proprietary software. This report actually can show you all of your options as they exist today, your exact steps, how long it's going to take, how long potentially it'll take for you to actually achieve the desired residual income and your goals that you have. It includes complete how-to explanations, and it really gives you options on ways to accelerate your portfolio. This is a free gift for you, so listen up. Regardless of whether you're starting out, starting over, or looking to secure your retirement, or maybe even you're already wealthy, your game plan report will show you the next steps for you to take advantage of this economy so that you can create the most residual income. Step 2, it's to profit in the best markets. Strongbrook can help you invest in your own backyard, but most of Strongbrook's clients choose to invest in the nation's hottest markets where the returns are the greatest and the risks are minimized. Here's a home in Phoenix. It sold in 2006 for $304,000 during the real estate bubble. A Strongbrook client of ours bought it for $126,000, even though it's insured for $200,000, which is its structural replacement cost. Now that's right. I want to make sure you understand this correctly. People are buying our homes significantly below the replacement cost right now in this crazy opportunity of an economy. And this economy is not going to last very long. In fact, this is a very short window of time that we have. Now, you imagine for a moment what will happen to your investment when population grows and population demands more homes be built. Logic says these homes will have to be built at or above the replacement cost, right? Makes sense to me. That potentially creates a very significant life-changing profit while netting you $249 each month. Now, we here at Strongbrook, we call those freedom dollars because when you have enough of them, you experience true financial freedom. Here's another home in another one of our hot markets, Las Vegas. It sold in 2006 for $311,000, and one of our clients bought it for $110,000. Notice again the replacement cost and the positive net cash flow. I'm not even sharing right now strategies that we have to let you use this home and re-access it so it can buy your next home. And finally, here's one more example. This is from another one of our hot markets, Orlando, Florida. Notice the similarities in the figures. These markets are carefully vetted and selected based on where Strongbrook believes you can experience the greatest financial safety, recovery, growth. And folks, it's important for you to know that when Strongbrook designates a market as a hot market, we have our people on the ground in that market. They're there to do the legwork, find, acquire, do these properties, rehab them, oversee the management of them. This is where our team of over 200 people really comes into play. Step 3 is really where the magic happens. Our extensive resources, they allow us to leverage conventional banks, other people's money, other people's credit, partnerships to really get these deals purchased and done. So listen up carefully. Regardless of your financial situation, whether you've got a high or low credit score, we can help most people successfully transact real estate. One of our greatest core competencies is also in assisting our clients in how they can use 401ks and IRAs to buy real estate, because we're able to help them do that without actually paying taxes or paying penalties. Step 4 is one of the fun parts in business. It's creating profit. You see, as population continues to grow, the demand for real estate will increase. As inventory is depleting, as it is right now, and new construction comes on the market, you can sell your property at or above the replacement value. Thus, the inevitable market recovery, plus all the tax advantages that come by owning your own real estate business, and not to mention the immediate cash flow you begin receiving. All of this combines to create the kind of residual income and results that your retirement is likely seeking. Your game plan report will show you step by step how to take your existing resources and create a lifetime of residual income with this real estate wealth system that we've been describing. Think about it this way. If we can help you get just one investment property, then what we know using our tools and our team is how to use things like strategic refinances, profits from capital gains, cash flow to expand your portfolio, to grow it. What that does is it increases your cash flow, your net worth, and your overall retirement without you adding a single new dollar. That's called having your dollars sitting in many investments all at the same time, which is a very huge secret for accelerating your growth. So, how does it all work? You begin the process by getting your professional service agreement. This gives you access to our entire team, our experts, our deals, everything. You're going to be assigned a client service coordinator. You're a real estate success coach, if you will. And what they're going to do is they're going to connect you with our entire team of experts. They're going to walk you through the process. They're going to then present the hottest properties in front of you for you to browse through and purchase. And our team will then help you purchase, lease, manage that property, and that's all being done for you. Then we rinse and repeat. We're going to figure out how do we take that to the next level and continue growing that portfolio. Virtually every one of our clients once sat in your shoes. But too many people often sell themselves short. They assume that they really aren't going to have that many options when they do the game plan report, and that there's no way that we're going to be able to help them accomplish their dreams. Listen to me. You can do it too. Thousands of people just like you are taking control over their financial lives with Strongbrook REIC. Last year, Strongbrook transacted over $32 million of real estate for you, for our clients. 70% of our new Strongbrook clients purchased their first home inside of their first 6 months. And in 2011, our average new client purchased 1.6 homes. Every one of their journeys started with an explanation of how it could be possible. Your game plan report will show you how, despite what you may think, your options are and what you can do with them. Take us up on our free offer to get your free customized game plan report. Learn how you can maximize your wealth in this economy today. So many things are not working right now that used to work in the old economy. Right now, we're going to give you access to our hottest investments, the hottest power team that is out there today. Our mission is to help rebuild this country, and we're doing it one family at a time by sharing this proven business. If your game plan report blows your mind and shares a logical step-by-step process to really get you where you want to be faster, then join up, get your PSA, and begin your journey with Strongbrook.